How to update contact info on the PNC website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your contact info with PNC, well here is how to do it quickly on their website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. And now here you need to log in with your account and once logged in you can just click on your name or profile icon and then select profile settings or personal information. And there you need to find the section for contact information to update your phone number, email and address. So there you can simply update or change your phone number, email, and address according to your needs. And once you're done with that, you just need to review your changes and click save or submit. And once you're done with that, you're done. Now your contact info will be updated with PNC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.